Hey guys, I wasn't originally planning to post on this particular book that I read because I get it in a subscription box and I don't usually include those. But I decided because I have commented in previous posts, written posts to be precise, about the use of the PCH in a book, which is a local no. I thought I'd include this book. It is called Happily Ever Afters. It is by Elise Bryant, and I'm told it can even be found in your local Target. It's a fun read, but it is a book that takes place in Long Beach, so again, a Southern California book, and this book has accurate information on those locations and refers to PCH as PCH, Pacific Coast Highway, without the article the. Thank goodness. But in addition to that, I had to say that this book is supposedly taken from a lot of the personal experience of the author, Miss Elise Bryant, and she seems awesome if that's the case. The book features a high school student who is a writer of the romance genre I'm not well versed in, except for your YA literature, which this is, and who struggles with her sense of self. And in fact, instead of going off the standard trope of the romance where the girl needs the guy to be her salvation, Bryant turns that on its head and focuses on our main character featured here on the cover and makes sure that she comes into herself so that it is a female empowerment book, believe it or not, that I recommend. It's light, it's fun, which is what I was looking for, and it has tons of baked goods in it. Yum, yum, yum. I recommend it. I give it a 4, and just, you gotta see this.